Negatho ne Jumatatu igi njega na ndathimetwetwo ni Ngai mukira ngeithi ciakwa haria hothe uragitwa mukira ni njitagwo Irimu wa Wanjiru mutwathiri na njira ya ciiko etagwo Naomi wa Mathu tariki ni 13 riu turorete gatagati ka mweri wa Mwania thenge ni twagiuka tukumenyithie maria mathiite kana maria matinda makianika thiini wa ituri tiganite cia bururi uyu na riu twambiririe na mohoro maitu uteti uthiite na mbere na gwakiriria kuria thirikari irakorwo ikiregana na maundu maria mungethaniro marera a Kenya kurigana na munini wa President Kithure Kindiki augite aria marenda guthima na hinya nao methe maundu ma bata ma kwira muingi na matige ukabira. Kindiki arite ari kure soi ya rugongo kuria athiite na mbere na kuhurira irefe President ohonereire muingi wa mwene utafari tiganite cia uthii wa na mbere.
Na nimesikia kuna matatizo madogo madogo hapa ambayo yanatatiza wananchi. Iko kero kwa sababu wananchi wengi hawana hati miliki za mashamba. Ni kweli si kweli? Unataka niende nikanyoroshe mambo ya mashamba mupate haki miliki zenu? Vile vile nimesikia kwamba hii uwanja hakuna vile hamuna ruhusa ile inaitwa special user license. Mimi nikitoka hapa naenda kutafutana na Kenya Forest Service kuhakikisha kwamba hii mahali tumepea wananchi special user license, ndio hii uwanja itumike na wananchi wa hapa na ipanuliwe ndio iwe inatosha kwa mikutano yetu. Hapa Kuresoi North tuko na masoko mawili ambayo yameanza kujengwa. Moja pale Seguton 40% done, 55 million is being spent. Soko yetu ya Seguton iko imeharakishwa ikamilike baada ya miezi miwili mitatu tumalize, either rais ama mimi akinituma nikuje nifungue ama namna gani? Si namna hiyo. Soko ya pili inajengwa pale Total pale Kamara. Hiyo soko vile vile ni ya 55 million na iko 30%. Mimi nitaharakisha contractor in 2 to 3 months hiyo soko ikamilike. Kama rais atapata nafasi akuja atufungulie, kama atakuwa na kazi nyingine atutume, mimi nikuja nifungue kwa niaba yake. Iko vile vile mheshimiwa amesema barabara mpya ambaye mnatafuta ya kutoka Kabujo kwenda Kipkoris, na iko barabara ya kutoka Samburet kwenda Kuresoi, na iko barabara ya tatu ile inaenda kuunganisha huko Chepsoin. Hizo ndi barabara mutai Chepsoin Chepseon. Ile market iko hapo njiani. Ya njia ya Mau Summit kwenda Kericho. Mahali kunauzwa matunda na vitu mingi. Hiyo barabara itokelezea hapo. Ni fire si fire. Inoma si noma. Nasikia ni shortcut ya 7 kilometers. Niende nikatafute pesa. Tushikane na Mutai. Tushikane na Aaron Cheruyot na Lisa Chelule. Tuende kwa Rais William Ruto. Hiyo pesa itoke ya hiyo 7 kilometers. Tufanye tusifanye.
Nake minista wa motungata kuri muingi Joy Friruku augite thirikari niri na mubango wa gutabania mugururio wa kuhitana na arugamiriri ahonge cia wandiki utungata-ini wa muingi itemini ria gwethana na aria marathoga marihi ma aruti wira hamwe na kwandika aruti a mathara. Ruku augite uhuthiri wa mutambo wa marihi ma utungata wa muingi uronania anene a wandiki macungiririe bururi oro ni mamilioni ma mbeca.
We have a challenge with human resource directors in the county government as well as in the national government. And from tomorrow, we'll be issuing further instructions to EACC because we have an audit report which is not very good on the kind of manipulations which the human resource directors have been manipulating the payroll system in the Republic of Kenya. Changing job groups of different employees 3 times in a year, something which does not happen. People getting double salaries. People getting salary arrears, something which We even don't know what this salary is. Tax exemptions to the people who are not even qualifying for tax exemptions. All these has been done and has been perpetuated again and again by our human resource directors in different agencies, government agencies, as well as different county governments. We will be working very closely with the EACC to ensure those who have done that kind of crime are taken where they are supposed to be taken. Nyinyi ambao mmekuwa mnafanya kazi na msingatii, you are not diligent, you are not committed, you are not doing your work as far as Article 232 of our Constitution tells us, the values and principles of public service. Tutamenyana na nyinyi. It is crime, it is criminal. Ile mambo ambao tumegundua what has been happening as far as human resource directors are doing in our payroll system. Kwa hivyo jameni, I want to assure all Kenyans, we are going to take care of your money. We are going to streamline the payroll system. No further ghost workers, no paying people who don't exist, no paying dead workers. And whoever has been doing that, because it can only be done by someone, that person, that human resource director must answer very difficult questions.
Tugitigana na icio munini wa mutongoria wa bũrũri Profesa Kithure Kindiki ni athing'ĩrĩirie a Kenya kũregana na ũteti ũtarĩ na mĩthingi na manyite mbaru thirikari ya Kenya Kwanza nĩguo President William Ruto ayũkĩte na rĩa kerĩ wathani-inĩ wake arĩtie arĩ kaunti ya Siaya hĩndĩ ya mũbango wa kũhũra njeki ikundi itiganĩte na watongoria makũmumagarĩtie nĩ mokĩrĩire atongoria a mũng'ethanĩro makiuga aya no maheni marakundia mũingĩ.
Mheshimiwa naibu wa rais, jana tulifanya hesabu kidogo na youth leader na tukaona hiyo nguvu inaweza kutusaidia. Inatusaidia namna hii. Hapa Siaya County bodaboda wako 29,000 bodaboda riders. Na tulifanya hesabu, if bodaboda rider can decide from whatever that they are earning every single day, waweke kando 50 shillings only, they are actually making between 1.3 million every single day. Now I calculate within a month, they will be collecting over 13 million shillings every day. Which means, ukitusaidia tukae kwa SACCOs. Tukae kwa SACCO kwa sababu that is the movement youth leader anatusaidia. Kenya mzima bodaboda wote wakae kwa SACCO ili tuweze kumanage ile mambo ambayo imekuwa ikiendelea kwa bodaboda. Watu wanasema bodaboda wanachoma magari ya watu, bodaboda they are rogue. Lakini tukisaidiwa kwa hiyo njia ya SACCO kupitia kwa youth leader, tutaweza kukua powerful na tukue jeshi kubwa ya kushikilia rais.
Si leo ni siku ya kusimama na bodaboda? Ni siku ya kusimama na bodaboda? Ni kweli si kweli? Iko makosa kusimama na wanabodaboda? Iko makosa. Kuna watu huko Nairobi wameshiba, wanatuambia kwamba hii program ya kusupport vikundi ya bodaboda na wanabiashara wadogo wadogo haina maana. Iko na maana? Iko na maana? Tusimame na bodaboda na akina mama na vijana wote na wazee huku mashinani. Bottom up. Bottom up. Wengi hawaelewi ya kwamba leo kuna mtu hapa ako memba wa SACCO ya bodaboda na bodaboda yake imekosa side mirror, na hiyo side mirror ni ya shilingi 3,000, lakini hana 3,000 ya kununua side mirror. Anasumbuliwa na polisi asubuhi, jioni, kila siku. Leo kupitia hii empowerment, yule mwana bodaboda kupitia SACCO yake atapata pesa kidogo, anunue side mirror, asisumbuliwe na polisi, atafute riziki, asaidie watoto wake, badala ya kuiba, badala ya kukaa ovyo, badala ya kuingia kwa pombe na bangi. Bodaboda asaidiwe, atengeneze pikipiki, anunue spare parts, aamushe pikipiki, atafute riziki ya kusaidia watoto wake. Bodaboda power. Bodaboda power. Tuendelee na hii program. Tuendelee na hii program.
Andũ a nduthi makĩgunĩka na maabitha a DCI na arangĩri nĩ mambĩrĩirie ũthuthuria wa gĩkuũ kĩa andũ atatũ arĩa marakuĩrĩire iria-inĩ makuĩtwo nĩ gatarũ na kũhobanĩrio nĩ maĩ iria-inĩ rĩa Ũhĩndĩ, kũrĩa rĩu mathako marĩa marakoragwo makĩnyita itemi nĩ makoretwo makĩrũgamio nĩ thirikari ya kaunti ya Mombasa. Na rĩu gavana wa kaunti ĩyo Abdulswamad Sharif Nasir akiugĩte thirikari ya Mombasa ndĩrarĩ na ũhoro o wothe wĩgĩmainie na mashindano macio.
Siku kuamkia asubuhi tarehe 13 saa 7 na dakika 9 na saa 7 na dakika 13 miili mingine miwili iliweza kupatikana. Miili ambayo kwamba ilikuwa ni ya Caleb Otieno miaka 21, Stephen Karembo miaka 23 na Thomas Wanyonyi miaka 24, wote ambao walikuwa katika mashindano haya ya boti. Sherehe hii si mara ya kwanza. Sherehe hii mwaka jana we were involved. Mwaka huu nadhani mtaona wale wote ambao kwamba walikuwa wako pale, ambao walikuwa ni sponsors or anything of that nature. The county government of Mombasa was not part of those that were involved. We will allow the Kenya Coast Guards on face value. The only video ambao kwamba nimeweza kuiona mimi, the only video that I have so far been able to see as an individual, na ndio maana Kenya Coast Guards lazima waweze waangalie with KMA, was the boat seaworthy? 1. 2, were the people actually wearing life jackets? Were the life jackets available or not available? These are the questions ambazo kwamba ni lazima ziweze kujibiwa. We will welcome any water activities to be able to be done. However, ni lazima ziweze kupata clearance from both the county security, county disaster, and the county disaster teams have to be present at that particular event. And lastly, whether this event is going to be continuing, this event will be suspended.
Mtoto wangu ameacha bibi, ni mjamzito, anajifungua next week.
Mashindano kama haya yanakuaga Miritini Jomvu. Kuna kuaga na life jacket, kuna kwa na wale wa Navy kando yao. In case wamezama, wanaopolewa saa hiyo hiyo. Kwa nini Caleb Otieno waliingia kwa maji bila life jacket?
Tumia jasho yangu, leo anakuja kufia kwa maji. Mfanye haki yake. Apate haki yake mtoto wangu. Tomili apate haki yake. Mtoto wangu apate haki yake.
Tutigane na ripoti ya KIHA airĩtu erĩ nĩ maikĩtio ngono nĩ maabitha a DCI thutha wa kũnyitikana na bagi kaunti ya Meru. Eria makiuma ngari-inĩ makuĩtwo ta athii ngari-inĩ ya sacco ya Maua Sharks maumĩte Nairobi merekeire Meru. Magĩkĩra ũhoro wĩ mũkonde, komishona wa kaunti ya Meru Jacob Ouma na kamanda wa borithi Patrick Loboria maugĩte ũthuthuria nĩ wambĩkĩtwo na kwĩranĩra gũtabania mũngũrũrio wa kũhĩtana na endia a ndũgũgio.
Na leo kama mnavyoona hapa, hii bangi ilikuwa inasafirishwa na Maua Shark Company Limited matatu ambayo ilikuwa na abiria 10. Huu ni mzigo wa abiria mmoja. Naona kwamba tuko na vifurushi kama 25 ya bangi ambayo kila moja ni kilo 3. Hiyo ni kilo 75. Bei ya mtaani inaweza kufika shilingi 1750, 1800, ambayo ilikuwa inasafirishwa na watoto wa kike wasichana, mmoja umri wa miaka 17 na mwingine karibu 19. Hivi ni kumaanisha kwamba walanguzi wanatumia mbinu zote zile kutaka kujificha. Kiangalia mzigo kama huu utafikiria ni ya msafiri mwema, mwananchi mwema, mwananchi mtulivu, kumbe ni njia moja ya kulangua miadarati. Meru County imekuwa ni conduit, yani ni barabara ya walanguzi. Tumekuwa na bangi ambazo zinatoka sehemu za nchi jirani, zinapitia maeneo yetu, Mutwati, sehemu za Lare, zikirujia pande hii, zingine ndizo zinatoka kule, zimetoka zinaingia huku kwetu. Imekuwa ni kama uwanja kidogo umefunguliwa lango la kuingiza miadarati, hali kadhalika ethanol. na hili ni jambo ambalo wananchi wametuelezea, na sisi wenyewe tumevalia njuga kama kamati ya usalama katika gatuzi nzima.
Through intelligence reports, our officers, our detectives from this county were able to intercept one vehicle, a matatu vehicle. 2 of the passengers were used to carry the substance which is here. This is believed to be cannabis sativa, 25 rolls of street value, estimated to be about 750,000 Kenya shillings. And this, it is through the good relations between the public, and we will not stop. We will carry on with our normal duties of getting these substances and whatever drugs that are there which are spoiling the community.
Siku hizi wanatumia wasichana wadogo wale wanaaminika kwamba ni wanafunzi. Kama vile shule zinafunga, msichana wote kama hii lika tumeshika akiwa anapepa hizi bags za shule, kila mtu anaona kama ni wanafunzi ya shule. But tulikuwa na information hii kitu mahali imetoka, pile imepakiwa ni bag.
Icio ciĩgĩmainie na airĩtu endia bangi gwĩkio ngono igatweka nyao ko tũgĩkĩria nĩ tũracokereria.
Ino ni station ya Kiheo TV, kihumo kia witikiriku.
Kuru wa Jewel Institute of Advanced Driving tũĩkaine nĩ kũruta matereva a gĩkĩro kĩa igũrũ marĩ na ũigĩrĩrĩki mũnene barabara-inĩ. Jewel Institute of Advanced Driving tũrutanaga ũtereva wa ikĩro ciothe. Class A nĩ ũtereva wa fikifiki na tuk-tuk, Class B ũtereva wa ngari nini, Class C ũtereva wa marori na Class D nĩ ũtereva wa ngari cia ũkui wa mũingĩ. Ũrutani witũ wa ũtereva nĩ wa kũrũmanĩrĩra na mũtaratara mwerũ wa NTSA, na warĩkia kothi tũgagũteithĩrĩria kwĩgĩra na smart driving license. Nĩ ũndũ wa ũhoro makĩria ndũkamaĩrĩrie gũtũcerera wabici citũ Roysambu nyũmba-inĩ ya Jewel Complex gorofa ya gatano barabara-inĩ nene ya Thika Super Highway kũrigania na TRM, kana ũtũhũrĩre thimũ kũgerera 0703 164003 0703 164003. Jewel Institute of Advanced Driving, drive with confidence. Ruoro rugitema koragwo wi wa mbere kumenya mari marahanika guko bururi-ini na nja wa itoka cia Kenya thiini wa tabarira ya gugithererũka ni kwambĩrĩria thinacara kinyagia thaa 3 cia rũcinĩ o muthenya wa mwambĩrĩrio kinyagia wa gatano. Na rĩu tabarira ya gugithererũka nĩ yongereirwo ngũ na mwago tũkĩrugũria ũthiũ mwerũ. Joyce Wanjiku wa Mwangi marĩ hamwe na Francis Wairura magakũrehera ndereti itiganĩte mathaa matatũ ma kũhingũra muthenya waku ũgathondekwo ũkagĩra. Ũthiũ mwerũ wa tabarĩra ya gũgithererũka rĩu ndũngĩmĩtigithia. Kiheo TV, kĩhumo kĩa wĩtĩkĩrĩku. Mũtũrĩre ũrĩa tũratũra nĩ ũrĩ na mĩtangĩko na mathĩna maingĩ.
Maũndũ macio mekuo no ti mega kũringana na kiugo kĩa Ngai ti mega, tondũ kiugo kĩa Ngai kiugaga atĩrĩrĩ, maũndũ marĩa mothe mekagĩrwo nduma-inĩ ĩrĩa nene mũthenya ũmwe nĩ marĩguũrio na maigwo gacũmbĩrĩ andũ othe merore. Nake mũndũ ariugaga atĩrĩrĩ, nyumba ya usiri ni nyumba mbaya.
Ni nyumba tena gĩkeno.
Ndĩna gĩkeno.
Ũkaigua hau gatagatĩ-inĩ rĩngĩ arĩho 2,000 peke yake, rĩu ona ũngĩagakorwo nginya nĩ akinya nĩ gũtiga wĩra na nĩ kũhoya arahoya bia ya kũinũka.
Tabarĩra-inĩ ya cararũkũ gũka nĩ maũndũ ma mũciĩ tũkahithũrania kĩrĩa kĩrarĩa kĩngĩ.
No mũhaka atumia mamarie, no mũhaka athuri metĩkĩre ũguo atĩ ũndũ ũmwe wa maũndũ marĩa matũmaga mũtumia aigue endetwo nĩ mũthuri wake rĩ to gũtĩkĩrwo kĩa ona gũthikĩrĩrio.
Na nĩguo ndũkanerire na uge
tarĩ korwo nĩ ndoĩ
Shararuku ukireherwo ni Wanjiru wa Waithaka. Mwambĩrĩrio kwambĩrĩria thaa 2 cia hwaĩ-inĩ.
Ino ni ceceni ya Kiheo TV, kĩhumo kĩa wĩtĩkĩrĩku.
Gatho guthi na mbere na gutucagura twacokereria ororingi kiumia turorete nirio mambura ma mashuja magatabanio kaunti ya Kitui na makoyo mararongoreria hinya wa kuhuthika na mwandiki mukaru ministry-ini ya hinya niwe Alex Kamau augite kiumia giki marahanda miti 25,000 muthenya wa gatatu thirikari ni kaneana mitungi ya gasi 24,000 kuria muingi ukagura na thogora wa raithi.
We are here at Idokwe Primary School at the launch of this year's Mashujaa Day, and this Mashujaa Day is themed around energy, and so therefore His Excellency the President did dedicate this week to be an energy week, where we drum up support towards the celebration of the Mashujaa Day celebration. We are now going to commission last mile projects that are spread across the country. This county has about 2.2 billion shillings to connect in excess of 16,463 households with electricity. That's a program that is ongoing, but will be officially flagged off on Wednesday by His Excellency the President. Also on this week we are also talking about clean cooking, and we shall be distributing clean cooking decors as well as LPG gas, and you'll be able to see our CAS commission the TTTC Teacher Training College in Kitui with LPG gas, so that they can start using gas as opposed to wood fuel.
Today we are kickstarting the Energy Week, the celebration for Mashujaa Day on 20th of October next week, which is going to be presided over by His Excellency the President, Ruto. Between now to that day, we'll be having various activities of tree planting in the schools, because you know that this area is a dry area, we don't have enough water, but we are only planting some few trees. About 2,500 will be just only waiting for short rain. So cylinders, we are putting 24,000 cylinders with gas, with the stand, with grills for Kitui County. Already 3,000 are in each constituency. There are 8 constituencies. On 17th, there will be the launch by His Excellency the President, so that our community will be free, from using firewood. Even the few vegetation we have, there is that used for firewood and whatever to become drier and drier. So we are converting them to renewable energy. You are lucky Kitui is now the first one in the Ministry of State Department to get 24,000 cylinders. So the State Department, in collaboration with the National Oil Corporation, we have put, the gas, it is going to be commissioned on Wednesday, either by Prime Cabinet Secretary or my own Cabinet Secretary on that day. So that we'll be free the students, from firewood, which can cause also health problems, at the same time also destroying our work. At the same time, the energy people, they are also reconnecting electricity is, within the Kitui Central, Kitui South. My counterpart is already on the ground to commission, that work.
Tume Kitui tuharuruke nginya Meru kuria gavana wa kaunti ino narugurite mathako maria makuhuthika ta njira ya kuhurana na nda cia tene uhami wa kimwiri hamwe na uhuthiri wa ndugugio. Gavana Isaac Mutuma uria warite ari kiaro kia maili 3 Igembe guku ni kaunti ya Meru akiugite makihurana na mathina macio oho andu ethi ni makota gukuria taranda ciao.
The launch of the Governor Mutuma Super Cup marks the beginning of a new chapter, one where sports is not just a game, but a movement for change, a platform for empowerment, and a bridge to opportunity. Through initiatives like this, Meru is steadily positioning itself as Kenya's next sport house. Sports, as we know, is one of the most powerful tools for social change. It gives our young men and women a chance to dream, to compete, and to achieve. It teaches discipline, teamwork, resilience, and focus. It builds character. Sports open doors to careers, to global recognition, and to personal growth. The Governor Mutuma Super Cup is more than a competition. It is a clarion call to our young people to rise, to shine, and to believe they can achieve. It is a platform where talent meets opportunity, where dreams are nurtured, and where the spirit of Meru finds expression in strength, discipline, and excellence. In this cup, we are not just nurturing future champions. We are protecting the young lives, building hope, and inspiring dreams. We all know the challenges our young people face today. The mental health struggles, drug and substance abuse, gender-based violence, and the painful reality of teenage pregnancies in our community. But when we invest in sports, we give our youth positive alternative. A healthy mind and a healthy body go hand in hand. A young person on the field, on the track, or in the gym is less likely to be trapped by drug, crime, or hopelessness. Let this tournament echo across every ward, every village, and every school in Meru County. Today, my dear young people, let us declare boldly that your talent is valid, your dreams are real, and as a county, we believe in you.
Nega tho hau no tuko tugikirira agatumo mohoro maitu ma Kiheo Kabiru Thaa imwe ndagika citari kurayo go ni muko mukinyitene na mundu gwitwo Morini wa Njeri aikore atafarire atwarishira rukumuthi mararire cigie kuracia aria mundu rume agithia gukigura na agakigura mutumia uria kana agariraciria mutumia uria arenda atuike rufaru rwake ngetika irimwa wa Njeri mutwathiri na njira ciko au mana umi wa mathu no ona ciarike kwihanda Thaa ithu tucemanie oro haha.